Hey everyone! Welcome back to day 2 of our 30-day online earning experiment. Yesterday, we talked about setting clear and achievable goals. Today, we're taking the next big step, creating an actionable plan to turn those goals into reality. If you're excited, make sure to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on our daily progress. Now, let's dive in. Why you need an action plan. Setting goals is just the beginning. Without a clear roadmap, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed. An action plan helps you break down your big goals into manageable steps, track your progress, and stay motivated. It also ensures that you're spending your time wisely and moving in the right direction. Step 1. Define your main earning method. The first step is to decide which online earning method you're going to focus on, based on the passions and skills we discussed yesterday. You might choose freelancing, writing, graphic design, programming, etc., affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube content creation, dropshipping, or e-commerce, stock trading, or crypto investing, online tutoring, or course creation. Choose one or two methods that align with your strengths. Remember, it's better to focus on one method and master it before diversifying. Step 2. Break it down into actionable steps. Now that you've chosen your method, let's break it down into small, actionable tasks. For example, if you're starting a YouTube channel, your action plan might look like this. Choose a niche and research trending topics. Create a content calendar with at least 10 video ideas. Set up your channel with a profile picture, banner, and description. Learn basic video editing using tools like Wondershare, Filmora, which I personally use. Record and edit your first video. Upload and optimize your video with SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags. Promote your video on social media and online forums. Each step is a building block that takes you closer to your goal. Step 3. Set a daily schedule. Consistency is the key to success. Set up a daily or weekly schedule based on your availability. If you have a full-time job, allocate at least 1-2 hours daily to work on your online business. If you're freelancing, set deadlines for completing client projects. Here's a sample schedule for a beginner freelancer. Morning 7 a.m. 8:30 a.m. Send proposals on freelancing platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Evening 6 p.m. 8 p.m. Work on client projects or create content. Night 9:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. Learn a new skill or research industry trends. Step 4. Gather the right tools. Depending on your online earning method, you'll need specific tools to get started. Here are some essentials. Freelancers: Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, Trello for task management. YouTubers: Wondershare, Filmora, Canva for thumbnails, TubeBuddy for SEO. Bloggers: WordPress, Grammarly, Google Keyword Planner. E-commerce: Shopify, AliExpress, Facebook Ads Manager. Investing in the right tools from the beginning will save you time and help you work efficiently. Step 5. Track your progress and adjust. Success doesn't happen overnight. Keep track of your progress using a simple spreadsheet or a journal. Every week, ask yourself, what worked well? What needs improvement? What new strategy can I try? If something isn't working, don't be afraid to pivot and adapt. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Conclusion: that's it for day 2. You now have a solid action plan to move forward. Tomorrow, we'll focus on setting up your first income stream and making your first dollar online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.